poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Yanni G, and today I want to welcome you to a weekly vlog. So I'm gonna be doing a weekly vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking you day through day in my life, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and you like it. We got many things in store. And like, yeah, stay tuned. And then I'm doing this intro kind of late, so you're gonna see me in a couple different outfits, and then we're gonna come back to today and you're gonna see me in this outfit, and I will run you through my day. So first things first, I'm gonna put my to-do list right here. These are the things that I already got done, and these are the things that I still need to get done. And right now we're about to go to my nail appointment because I need these claws hit, period. You feel me? I need the grippers done. I need them done, okay, period. Yeah, so come on, me babe, stay tuned.
It's been a long time, shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. It's been a long time, we shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. Baby girl,
what would you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way? Would you give up or try again? Never hesitate to let you in. Now would you be yourself or play a role? Tell all the boys or keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away or play me off? Or would you stay up? Dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, and try again. Easily, not till I see just could be eternity or just a week. Our chemistry is off the chain. It's perfect now, but will it change? This ain't a yes, this ain't a no. Just do your thing, we'll see how it goes.
Okay guys, only my mom can get me to come pick up her kids and make dinner for her before I leave. It be your mom, right? The only one who can make her feel like the maid, the babysitter. So let me show y'all what I got. You gon' have to do more than this. You gon' have to do less for you. So mommy, you know how.
you gon' need to do more than just
What's poppin', y'all? Come hiking with me. Who told me to go on this adventure alone? I don't know, but I'm bringing y'all with me, so let's go. I'm seeing all kind of bugs and insects that I've never seen before. Oh shit! See? Look at the butterflies. Can you guys even see it? I'm actually fucking with this a lot. Look at that view. Whew. Y'all, I'm feeling it. Whew. I was gonna wear sweats too. Imagine me wearing sweats right now. Oh Lord. Which way am I going? That's where we going. Guys. Y'all, it's a bunch of fucking mosquitoes. What do I do? Oh, what do I do? Fuck it, I'm gonna just run through. They're big. Fuck me, what do I do? Fuck me. Why are they so big? Oh! Just go. Face your fear, face your fear. Face your fear, face your fear. Just go. Keep going, keep going. Ladies, leave your man at home. Hands, nails done too. I've been shoot.
Yeah, I want to talk to you with you. Go out for a minute. Can you come here? Yeah.
Okay, so I'm headed to a different nail shop because they were being weird in there, like, oh, you can't film. And then, like, in the beginning, like, she told me, like, one price, and then she switched it. Like, as I'm getting my set done, she literally goes and, like, changes the price of the initial price that she told me, which is fine. Like, I don't mind paying extra, but it's like, if I come in and I tell you exactly what I need and exactly what I want, and you give me a price when I'm getting my set done, don't try to change the price on me as I'm already getting the service done. Like, you get what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay, that's fine. Like, I don't mind paying that, but I just wish you would have told me that in the beginning. Like, you know what I mean? Like, that's a little weird to me. So, like, I'm in there and I'm recording, like, her doing my set. Obviously, I'm filming, like, I'm vlogging. Like, it's not a big deal. Like, okay? So, and it's like, that's not the first time that I've recorded getting my nails done and everything like that. So as I'm like vlogging or whatever, I'm recording the process, which I always do. Like, I've been there multiple times. Like, you know, this is not the first time that I'm going here. Like, I've been here multiple times before. I've paid more than what you're asking me to pay now. So I'm saying the price is not the problem. It's the fact that you're trying to change it as I'm already getting the service done. Like, you feel what I'm saying? So then she's like, okay, well, I'm like, okay, I'll just do the full set for me. Like, I'll go get a pedi somewhere else. And just do the full set. Like, okay, you're upping the price on everything that I'm getting. Like, like what? And I don't mind because, like I said, I've paid a lot more to get my nails done, like, in other places. You know what I'm saying? So it's still like a good deal on a price. However, I feel like you're trying to play me at this point. And it's like, hell no. Like, I feel like, what is happening? This is why I be in the house, y'all. I'm a homebody and I never go out. And this is why, like, I'm telling you, I be in the house. Like, when I tell you I be in the house, I be in the house. Because I don't got time, like,
Since you
Just giving it honest. You wouldn't want a young man if it wasn't living the story. That's why I came back to
You gon' have to do more than just. You gon' have to do less for you. Some mommy, you know I always want you to. You gon' have to do more than just. You gon' have to do less for you. Some mommy, you know you gon' need to do more than just.
Alright, y'all, I'm finally back home. I stopped to get food after my nail appointment, but check out the nails, y'all. Like, get into the details. Do y'all see that? Hold on. Can y'all see that? Like, so beautiful. He snapped. Tony snapped on the nails, okay? 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. He did not disappoint. Like, the camera is not doing it justice. Like, it looks so good. This is exactly what I wanted. Honestly, I wish the red was a little more vibrant, but in person, like, it's doing what it needs to do. Literally, it is. But anyways, I'm gonna do this try on haul. But before I do that, I'm gonna close out this video. So when you see me with this fit in the next video, know that your girl is working, okay? Period. I'm getting these videos out for y'all. I got this weekly vlog coming out, and then you better have a try on haul back to back. Yeah, period. And yeah, you guys want to see the package? Oh, I got this package, y'all. It's like bigger than my head. But anyways, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. And stay linked in with your girl because we only going up from here. Love you.